Lot number 255 is a mixed lot of 5 rolling TV audio carts. Now, these 3 are the same. They're made by Bretford. They have an electrical outlet on the side with 2 plugs. They all roll smooth. They're all dusty and dirty from being in storage, but they all appear to be in good condition. We got 3 of them. They're all the same. Electrical plugs and straps to hold down the TVs. These all look like they're in good shape. Then we have 2 small ones. I'll start with the black one. This is also a Bretford. Comes with electrical outlets. These flaps come out. Make it a little table here. And then this one, I don't find a maker on it. I don't know the brand, but it looks just like the black one without the electrical plugs. This is just a metal cart, no electrical plug on this one. All these 5 carts roll smoothly. They're all used. They show normal wear and tear, but they all roll smooth and appear to be in good shape. It's lot number 255. Good luck.